Well, I'd like to welcome Selina Anderson from the Ocean Institute. You know, we talked about that somewhat last week about the wonderful tall ships and ocean festival that is happening in just a couple weeks. So welcome, great to have you here today.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, and we are going to focus on a few of the activities that go on within the Tall Ships Festival. But first, I mentioned that last week that when Dan was on, that you folks do your own whale watching excursions.
We do.
Which I did not know, and you have more of an educational take on them, right?
Yes, everything we do is very educational, not only for the schools that come here on field trips, but also for the public. So we like to extend it to the public. So we do a mud grab at the end of the whale watching cruise.
A mud grab?
A mud grab.
What's that?
So they take this device and they send it down into the ocean.
Okay.
And they scoop up sand from the ocean floor and they bring it up and let the kids and whoever else wants to look for the microscopic animals that they may find.
Oh, how cool.
So it's not only for whale watching, it's for the smallest organisms up to the biggest animals we have on Earth.
That is great.
Yeah, so it's everything.
That is fun. And this happens obviously during the week. You have schools that come down, but on the weekends as well?
It's only on the weekends.
Only on the weekends?
Yeah, but you can do a private cruise if you would like, and we can make that happen.
All right, fantastic. Now, we got the tall ships happening, and this is going to be starting September 6th, 7th, and 8th down there, obviously, in Dana Point. And you've got a lot of different activities that go on. I mean, you sent me a schedule. This is a little hard to put on the air, but I mean, it's just dozens of different things.
There's literally something going on every 15 or 30 minutes.
Yeah,
there's so many things. What's really great is that your general admission ticket, it covers pretty much everything as part of the festival, but there are add-ons too. If you're interested in mermaids or pirates, we have experiences for those. And also the cannon battles are...
Yeah, the cannon battles,
yes, they're so popular.
So one of the activities that you're doing is on September 6th and 7th, which is Friday and Saturday in the evening at 6 o'clock, the Sails and Ales Party.
Yes.
And we got the posters of both these things going on. But tell us about that.
So the Sails and Ales event, we have Rod Piazza and the Mighty Flyers coming in on Friday night, and we have Billy Sherman and Friends coming in on that Saturday night. And it's live music. We have 8 different breweries coming in. We have hard kombucha, we have wine, and non-alcoholic options as well. But you get a little cup for your tastings, and you go around to all these different booths, and you fill up your cup, and you enjoy yourself. And there's also mermaid encounters as well. We have swim shows during the Sails and Ales event too. Yeah, and there's food trucks. So it's a really great party.
Now, where will this take place? I know where the Ocean Institute is, but is it right in the parking lot there? You put the food trucks?
So the food trucks typically are out in the parking lot, and then the breweries and all the booths will be inside the Ocean Institute in our little courtyard area.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is separate from the regular ticket?
Yeah, so the Sails and Ales is during the evenings.
Okay.
So the general admission ticket gets you into the festival during the day.
Okay.
The festival closes at 4. And then the party starts up again at 6.
All right. So if you want more information on that, of course, just go to the Ocean Institute and online you can find out about that, oceaninstitute.org. Now, one of the guest bands you're going to be having there are the Tijuana Dogs. We kind of know them. I think they've appeared here as well in some of the things we've done.
Very nice. Yeah, they are coming in on Saturday at 2 p.m. is when their show starts, and it goes until 5. So it extends the festival just a little bit on Saturday, but they are a great group. They really bring high energy into the crowd. They're very fun.
So that'll be a lot of fun, and they're going to be, where's the stage that they perform on?
So the stage is going to be by Baby Beach.
Okay.
Yeah, so everybody will get a Ocean Institute Festival, the Tall Ships event guide.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see this, but this is the event guide you get. And as you open it up, there is a map on the inside. So everyone will get one of these, and we have the performance stage kind of highlighted.
Okay, very good. Let me ask you again about the tickets. Now, because I think I've gone in the past, and I might be wrong, where you can walk around the area without a ticket. Is
That's
that true?
right.
Okay.
Yeah, so there are certain areas where anybody from the public can join in.
Okay.
The ticketed area is the Seafarers Landing, which is kind of one of our beer gardens area. And then that's also where we have our educational activities and exhibits going on. But the food trucks, you don't have to have a ticket to go through there.
Okay.
Everyone likes their food.
And again, all the different stuff that goes on. Now, one of them, the mermaid breakfast, and that would be all 3 days?
Just Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah, so the mermaid breakfast, that sells out every year.
Yes, I know it does, yeah.
and even you can add on a little plush mermaid doll. You can get a little purse, and you can get a necklace.
Now, if people go online, they can get these tickets online and then put these add-ons as well?
Yeah, so as you purchase your ticket, you do want to select that add-on, so we make sure you do get that extra package.
Okay, especially for the mermaid breakfast, because I know that, like you said. But it's a lot of fun, and there's so many different activities, and there's also different booths throughout the area that people go to, different people that come in, crafts and things like that.
Exactly, we have woodworking coming in, there's knot tying, you can learn all about that. One of the other activities that you can do is the pirate school, which is really great for kids of boys and girls who love pirates. You learn all about being a pirate.
Yeah, who doesn't like that? Yeah. That'll be a lot of fun. So again, this is happening the 6th, 7th, and 8th down at Dana Point, of course, at the Ocean Institute. You can go online, and I would suggest it, especially if you want some of these add-ons, because they go quickly. They really do. And this year we are actually adding on long boat rowing, which is something we haven't done before. And that's every add-on: the mermaid mermaid encounters, the swim shows, the pirate school, and the longboat rowing. It's only an additional $10. Okay. One thing I do want to point out before I forget is the parking. They do have off-site parking. You can find out about that online as well, and they have free shuttles coming down. That's right. So if you want to, I would recommend parking in the Strands Vista parking lot because that gets you into the festival Friday night. And they run the longest Saturday and Sunday. Okay. But there's also satellite parking at Dana Hills High School. All right, very good. Yes. Thank you. Appreciate you coming on. Yes, thank you. And we'll be right back.